As we inch closer to Google Pixel 7 series launch event on October 6th, we get more detailed renders of the two phones. Both phones appear to carry on the basic design of the Pixel 6 series, including the punch hole screens and the camera visor on the back, which now is made from aluminum instead of glass. I've already seen the Pixel 7 series color options confirmed by Google, and the new leak also shows the Pixel 7 is white, mint green, and black, while the Pixel 7 Pro dons the black and white, though we also expect a new Hazel color option. Still, Google has upgraded its flagship smartphone to the Tensor G2, a second generation in-house SoC that should deliver superior GPU performance among other changes. The Tensor G2 may also shade its predecessor's CPU performance, though additionally stresses that the Pixel 7 still retains its Titan security chip, as well as a 5000 mAh battery that supports 30 watts fast charging. Likewise, the device will come with 12 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of storage in most markets. Moreover, the Pixel 7 Pro has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a QHD resolution and an LTPO backlight for varying in refresh rates up to 120Hz. It remains to be seen whether the display can operate as low as 1Hz, although there have been rumors of Google including a new and bright display panel than the one found in the Pixel 6 Pro. Furthermore, the Pixel 7 relies on Samsung's ISO GN1 as its primary camera, a 50-megapixel sensor that Google complements with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle and a 48-megapixel telephoto lenses. Not only does the Pixel 7 Pro stick with 5x optical zoom, but it also has last year's 11-megapixel front-facing camera. Google will launch the Pixel 7 Pro with Android 13 on October 6th, with a release date similarly set for October 13th. As it stands, the pricing is expected to be identical to Pixel 6 series, $599 for the Pixel 7 and $899 for the Pixel 7 Pro.